Welcome to another episode of Legal Dilemmas, where you will receive clear, concise legal advice. Today's topic of discussion is around getting married abroad and whether it constitutes a valid marriage in the United Kingdom. My name is Safina.
And my name is Brenda.
So, Brenda, can you help us? If somebody gets married abroad, and we hear about lots of marriages taking place abroad, are those valid marriages?
Yes, they are. As long as you have married in accordance with the law of the country where the marriage took place, it is a valid marriage.
So, can you give us any examples of common countries that you've encountered?
Yes. If we start off with the United Kingdom first, a valid marriage in the UK is having a civil ceremony before a registrar. That's a valid marriage and it has to be registered. A valid marriage in an Islamic country such as Pakistan or the UAE, a religious ceremony is considered to be a valid marriage there. So as long as it is valid in accordance with the law of the country where the marriage took place, it is valid in the UK.
That's really useful. So I suppose the question is, if someone comes in, I'm just thinking about the immigration context here. If somebody comes in on a spousal visa and the marriage breaks down, would either of the parties need to apply for a divorce?
Yes, because even if they had a religious ceremony of marriage because their country allowed it, it would have been recognised as a valid marriage for them to enter the country as a spouse. And if they're living in the UK, even though the marriage was abroad, as long as they're domiciled in the UK or habitually resident, they are entitled to apply for a divorce, and to end the marriage they would have to.
That's really helpful. So I suppose people need to exercise some caution, and please remember that these are valid marriages. It's not like cohabitation. It's completely different. I'm assuming, Brenda, if the people had an Islamic ceremony in the UK than if they had one abroad within Pakistan, as you gave an example. So, thank you very much for listening to us. Hopefully you have all found this content useful. Please like, subscribe, share, and make sure that you've got your notifications on for further great content.